Here we are at 31 Windsor Ave, steps away from Wortley Village. We are Richard and Colleen Thyssen of the Thyssen Group and Tulin Salabank, all from Keller Williams Lifestyles Realty. It's not every day you encounter a rare opportunity such as this stunning renovation with contemporary and luxury features. Let's go inside and you can see for yourself.
The craftsmanship in this home is exquisite, beginning with the open and airy foyer, carried right throughout, where no detail has been overlooked. This newly renovated 5-bedroom, 5-bath home was created to give a feeling of openness. From the 9-foot ceilings in the foyer, beautifully crafted cabinetry, open staircase, distressed white oak hardwood flooring, to the updated contemporary trim throughout. The open concept kitchen is a chef's dream. The luxury and functional kitchen is ideal for entertaining. Equipped with stainless steel appliances, an abundance of cupboards, quartz and white oak butcher block countertops, with a garden door leading to the pressure-treated deck overlooking a sizable backyard. Open to the sunny great room with gas fireplace, custom built-ins, and a wall of windows, which allows for direct views to the backyard. Adjacent to the kitchen is the oversized dining room, which will accommodate your entire family and friends for all those special occasions. Relax in your spacious master bedroom retreat, featuring a stunning fireplace, the walk-in closet is amazing and a shopaholic's dream closet, with skylight to let in natural lighting. The ensuite rivals any spa with glass-encased shower, including rainfall shower head, trendy counters, and heated ceramic flooring. Laundry is conveniently located on the 2nd floor, includes lots of storage.
With every detail carefully attended to, 31 Windsor Ave is an impressive home laid out to suit anyone's lifestyle today. For your personal tour, call or text 519-854-8884.